Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to see how to create an invoice in Microsoft Word completely for free. So this is another topic as part of our Microsoft tutorial series. So to start with, you have to click on File. Click on File from the tabs, then click on New. Then on this search bar, type in Invoice. Then click Search. You can see different templates here for invoice. Different templates here. So let us choose one of them. Let us click this and click create. So this is the template for the. So let us change this here. Just put a date. So this is customer name complaint. So let us put it here. Address. Telephone. So you can add the recipient number here. This is the B sheet. Add the telephone. Payment date, due date. Oh, 7, 5. Put an payment here. So you now put after the customer information you've added, you put one. You now add the year, time, XSD, then so Intel, very long, and you add other numbers, other required numbers, then put the unit price here, 45, and enter the price here. 5,000. So now the total here is 5,000. Then the address here has reflected. You now enter the says the seller's address here. This is where you enter the address. So now we now proceed. The invoice, you can change the invoice number here, 56. Then when you are done with entering the details, you enter other details, date, and you are done. You can also thank you for your business, enter the address. Then this is where you have to change the address. Enter the address for the distributor or the seller. Then you come over here to file. Then click on save as. First of all, you have to save it. You save as. Browse. Then take invoice. Click on save. Then you come here and export it. You can also just save it here. After you've saved it, you click save as. You click on download. Then you come here and choose PDF. Then click save. So this is the invoice. We've now converted it to an invoice. So this is how you can generate an invoice with Microsoft Word. So thank you for watching. Please kindly like, subscribe, and join us in this video. Like the video and share too.